Unmute by Iska Wellness in association with the Fern Society, powered by Guwahati Foodie and online partner Discoverist.
Hello everyone, my name is Alankrita Bhuya. I am a psychotherapist and a senior psychologist at Iska Wellness, and today I want to say something on mental health issues. How these issues are related in our everyday life, and if not treated, how can they turn into disorders and hamper our behavior and our daily life functioning. So a lot of us have this notion about mental health issues that, oh, if it is depression only then it is a mental health issue. No, it is not like that. A mental health issue can be regarding anything. It also depends on how your daily life functioning is. For example, in our daily lives, in our day-to-day lives, we have so many problems and issues. Maybe it might be regarding our relationships with our parents, colleagues, partners, siblings, whoever it is. There might be issues of anger. Okay, there are people who are very aggressive, then there are people who are very submissive in nature. They get easily hurt, they are very soft targets. There might be issues relating to anxiety. So by anxiety I mean when people tend to worry about even the smallest thing. If I don't do this, what will happen next, what are the implications? So there is a constant state in which a person's thoughts are rotating. All these different issues in our daily lives, how does it appear in our lives? So it will come up in form of uh, outbursts, the way we burst out sometimes, the way we lash out on someone. Mental health issues can turn into disorders if it is not taken care of, if it is not attended to. And this pandemic time, we have seen a shift in many of our lives. So again, because of this, there might be certain frustrating thoughts as well. Nobody understands me and everything. Okay, and a person might feel extremely low and sad, and this prolonged sadness can sometimes, along with other symptoms, can turn into depression, provided we have to consider a lot of factors. Okay. So if a person is feeling irritability, if a person feels restlessness, or if a person is frustrated always, for a longer period of time, especially we take into consideration approx a time of 3 to 6 months. So if all these things, all these negative symptoms shows up in a person, or if a person is showing all these symptoms for a longer period of time, from probably 3 to 6 months on an everyday basis, then we can term it as, then it turns into a disorder. Okay, if we don't manage all these emotions at right time, if we don't manage our mental health issues in the right time, then probably after a point it might get turned into serious disorders. I personally would suggest that if you are facing issues like this, then you have to see a professional. These issues, these symptoms, if a person shows, it will not only hamper us in mental level, in our thought process, it will also hamper our everyday functioning, our daily life functioning. It will be hampered. Our behavior will not be the same. There will be a lot of disturbances in the behavior. We not only will be irritated and frustrated by ourselves, but people around us will also get irritated and disturbed. Don't let your mental health issues take a toll over your mental health, and these issues are definitely treatable. So treat them right in the budding moment, and it is never too late for seeing a therapist or a counselor. But it is my request, if you are having certain discomfort in your life for a certain period of time, I would say that you should definitely go and see a counselor. So this is it, talking about mental health issues. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.